Hello students, in this video I will explain you expansion, and in expansion subtopic is difference between two squares. Okay, so basically what we are doing, a square minus b square. So how it comes? For this we are using FOIL rule. FOIL rule which we have already discussed in earlier videos. Okay, so we use this rule for determining difference between two squares. So see here, consider the product a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So as we know, when we are doing multiplication of a plus b and a minus b, we will do these things. So this is known as the by using FOIL rule. So here you are seeing that a plus b and a minus b, which are in bracket, and they are on the left hand side, and we want to obtain its result by multiplying these two values. Okay, so by what we are using, FOIL rule here. So a multiplied by a minus b plus b multiplied by a minus b, where a minus b both are in brackets. See here, they are in brackets. Okay, so a multiplied by a is a square minus ab plus ab and minus b square. See students, here it should be ba. Okay, it should be ba, but as we know, according to the commutative law of multiplication, since ab can be written as ba, so we can write BA is equals to AB and AB is equals to BA wherever it is required. Okay, so here we are writing minus AB plus AB, and B, when B multiplied by B, so we get minus B square. So our final result is A square minus AB plus AB minus B square. Since they are having the same value but opposite sign, so these two will cut. Okay, and we get a square minus b square. So now we know a plus b in one bracket and in another bracket a minus b, so we get a square minus b square. This is known as the difference between two squares. Difference between two squares expansion, because the expression on the right hand side is the difference between the two squares. Okay, on the right hand side. Clear? So a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. It is very important identity, and it is used, you will use this identity in higher classes also. Okay, in higher class it will become a just a part of your sum. Here you are seeing full sum is based on this identity. Okay, now we are doing different sums which are based on identity difference between two squares. So every time you will write identity and then use it. Okay, so first question is x plus 5 in one bracket, x minus 5 another bracket. So when we compare it with our identity, so identity is a plus b into a minus b. So what is a here? A is x, and what is b here? B is 5. So as we know, a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So this will become x square minus 25. Okay, now see next one, 5 minus 3y, 5 plus 3y. So as you know, when we compare it with our original identity, so a is 5 and b is 3y. Now just put in a square minus b square. When you compare your respective question with your respective identity, or particular question with respective identity, then it will be very easy to write in that form. Okay, so this is your key, how to write. This is your key. So every time use this key to write your answer. And steps you can increase or decrease your steps according to your question number. If it is 3 marks, so see all the steps and write identity also. If it is only 1 mark, so you can decrease one step, or if it is an MCQ, so just write or doing simplification and you have to only take your answer. Okay, so depends upon how many marks of your question. So according to that you can increase or decrease your steps. Okay, so just manage these things also, how many steps you have to write. But in every and anywhere type of question, but you should use identity, write identity which you are using in your particular question. Okay, now question number 3, 2 minus x into 2 plus x. So what is a here? What is a here? A is 2, and what is b? B is x. So our final answer will be 2 square minus x square. It will become 4 minus x square. Next is x plus 1, x minus 1. So here what is a? A is x. What is b? B is 1. Just put in a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Yes, see another thing which is important. I am doing with blue color. See here, can we write a plus b into a minus b as a minus b into a plus b? So yes, okay. You can change the position of a plus b and a minus b, but every time you will get a square minus b square. So don't be confused if we change the place of a plus b and a minus b, because as you know, due to the commutative law of multiplication, if we change the place of any two number, there will be no effect on your final answer. Okay, now see question number 5, x plus y into x minus y. So as we know, in this a will be x and b will be y, so our answer will be x square minus y square. Next question, 5 plus e, 5 minus e. So what is a here? A is 5, a is 5 and b is e. So our answer will be a square minus b square, means 5 square minus e square. So it will become 25 minus e square. Next question, 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1. So what is a here? A is 2x. And what is b here? B is 1. So when we square 2x, so it will become 4x square and minus 1. So first you have to show that you are doing 1 square. But as you know, anything 1 square, 1 cube, 1 raised to the power 1000, every time it will give 1. So in final answer you will write 4x square minus 1. But this step is required. Okay, this step is required. You have to show that I am doing 1 square, but since 1 square is always 1, so in final answer we will write only 4x square minus 1. Next question, 3 plus 4a into 3 minus 4a. So in this a is equals to 3 and b is equals to 4a. Here a is given in your question, so don't be confused. It is your question, but identity, according to identity, a is 3, b is equals to 4a. So now put in this, so 3 square minus 4a whole square, so this will become 9 minus 16a square. Next is 4y minus 5, 4y plus 5. So what is a? A is 4y, and what is b? So b is 5. So we will do 4y whole square minus 5 square. Just read it, just say it like this as I am saying, 4y whole square. Okay, 4y whole square. Say like this. So when you will write your next step, it will means every time it will be correct. Okay, so 16y square minus 25. 2a plus b, 2a minus b. So a is equals to 2a in this and b is equals to b. As we know, a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So 2a whole square minus b square, 2a whole square is 4a square minus b square. Okay, so this is all about your difference between two square identity. It's very easy. It's very easy. Just do practice. Do practice 10 and 20 sums at a stretch, so that you can do command on these type of identity. These are the basics of higher classes. Okay, so again I am revising this whole video. So here we did by using FYL rule. So a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Okay, and there is no change in AB or BA. We can write anything. Okay, if they are having same sign, means AB plus AB plus AB plus BA, so this will become 2AB. However, there is AB and BA, but they are like term. Yes, they are like terms. Okay, so they will become add up. Now we did different questions which are based on a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Okay, and I already explained you what is the key. So key is every time you have to compare your particular question with generalized identity. One thing, write identity every time, you will get marks. Okay, every time write identity, make a habit. So through this you can do any question, any type of question you can do. Okay, and always read it as whole square. So just make it a habit, whole square, so that while writing next step it will be correct, there will be no mistake. Okay, bye bye. Hope this video will help you.